Ready to explore Geneva, Switzerland, where history resonates through the cobblestoned streets and the pristine waters of Lake Geneva captivate your senses? Join me as we uncover the magic of a city that's home to international peacemaking, surrounded by the breathtaking Alps and its vibrant culture. This is How to Spend One Day in Geneva, your ultimate guide to enjoying every moment in this exquisite city. Hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing travel content, and stay tuned till the end for insider tips to make your Geneva adventure truly memorable. Whether you're marveling at the Jardin or indulging in fine Swiss cuisine, Geneva promises a day of awe and excitement. Let's get started on this incredible journey. Best time to visit Geneva. The ideal time to visit Geneva is during the spring, March to May, or autumn, September to November. During these months, the weather is mild and the city is less crowded than the peak tourist season in summer. Spring blesses the city with blooming flowers and vibrant greenery, whereas autumn frames the city streets with golden leaves, making for stunning views against the backdrop of the lake and mountains. City airport tips. When flying into Geneva, you'll most likely arrive at Geneva International Airport, GVA. Efficient and well-organized, the airport is a mere 4 kilometers from the city center. Upon arrival, pick up a free transport card from the airport, which offers unlimited public transport throughout the city for the duration of your stay. For a seamless transfer to the city, hop on the train from beneath the airport, runs every 12 minutes, costing around $3 and arrive downtown in just 7 minutes. Where to stay in Geneva? For a quintessential Geneva experience, stay in the Old Town, Vieille Ville, where the cobbled streets echo stories of the past. Here, quaint boutiques and cafes dot narrow alleys, and accommodation options range from luxurious hotels to charming guest houses. Expect to pay between $150 to $300 per night for a decent place. Alternatively, for a more contemporary setting, opt for a hotel in the Eaux-Vives district, which is near the lake and offers both upscale and mid-range options. How to get around Geneva. Geneva's compact size makes it perfect for exploring on foot. However, the public transportation system comprising trams, buses, and boats is efficient and covers the entire city and surrounding areas. A day pass costs about $10 and provides unlimited travel. For a unique perspective, rent a bike for approximately $20 per day and breeze along the lake or through the city's extensive network of bike paths. Morning. Pâquis-Nations, Palais des Nations. Geneva proudly hosts the European headquarters of United Nations, and its sprawling office complex, nestled in the bustling Pâquis-Nations area, warmly welcomes the public. Embark on a captivating tour of the Palais des Nations and step inside illustrious spaces like the Assembly Hall, Council Chamber, Library, and the Human Rights and Alliance of Civilizations Room. As you stroll the alley of flags, each flag fluttering in the breeze tells a story of membership and unity. A poignant highlight is the broken chair sculpture, standing tall in the plaza, symbolizing peace and the fight against landmines and cluster bombs. Tours are available in both English and French, accommodating both individuals and groups. They are scheduled throughout the day, beginning at 10:30 a.m., with the first tour on Mondays starting closer to noon. The cost for an individual tour is approximately $17. The UN complex is open to visitors from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Getting there is a breeze. Secaron is the closest train station, and Nations is the nearest stop for buses and trams. Mid-morning. International Museum of the Red Cross and Red Crescent. In addition to housing the European headquarters of the United Nations, Geneva is also home to the Red Cross's central base. The International Museum of the Red Cross offers a profound look into the impactful work of the humanitarian movement. Exploring the exhibits, which detail both triumphs and struggles, is not only sobering but also incredibly enlightening, making it a must-visit for those intrigued by global humanitarian efforts. The museum is open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. from April 1st to October 31st, Tuesday through Sunday, closed on Mondays. During the winter months from November 1st to March 31st, the hours shift slightly, opening from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Admission is approximately $16 for access to both the permanent and temporary exhibitions, which include an audio guide to enhance your visit. If you're interested solely in the temporary exhibits, the cost is around 10 USD. If you have a Geneva City Pass, you'll enjoy complimentary access. Located just a short stroll from the Palais des Nations, you can easily combine visits to both attractions in a single afternoon. Insider tip: after your museum visit, take a few minutes to relax in Ariana Park where the peacocks roam free. It's a splendid spot for some quiet reflection or a leisurely walk, and it's right next to the museum. This little pause can be the perfect way to wrap up your afternoon before heading into an evening of exploring more of Geneva. Lunch. After kickstarting your Geneva adventure, why not indulge in some heavenly Swiss fondue? Head over to Café du Soleil, renowned for its mouth-watering fondue that's become the talk of the town. Though fondue is the star of the show here, the menu also boasts a variety of Swiss favorites that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. Café du Soleil is a leisurely 15-minute stroll from the International Museum of the Red Cross, making it a perfect next stop on your journey. When you get there, I recommend diving into their signature fondue, which will run you about 25 USD per person. And if you're keen to explore beyond, their rosti and charcuterie platter are must-tries as well. Insider tip: this spot gets quite busy, especially in the morning and evening, so consider booking a table in advance to avoid waiting. Afternoon. Option A: Scenic Lake Geneva Cruise. If you're looking to take in Geneva's stunning scenery from the water, consider hopping on a cruise boat for a scenic tour across the pristine Lac Léman. This journey not only offers mesmerizing views, including a distant glimpse of Mont Blanc on clear days, but also brings you up close to the majestic Jet d'Eau, Geneva's iconic water fountain that soars 140 meters, 459 feet, into the sky. For those with only a day to explore, the perfect pick is the 1-hour Lake Geneva cruise. Priced at approximately 19 USD, it's a real bargain, especially amidst Switzerland's typically high expenses. This quick loop provides a comprehensive glimpse of the lake's beauty without taking up too much of your time. Cruises typically depart from the Genève Mont Blanc Pier, and for your convenience, multiple starting times are available. I'd suggest aiming for a departure around 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. to bask in the midday sun and vibrant lake hues. To reach the pier, just catch bus number 3 from outside Café du Soleil at Petite Saint-Connet and delight accountants. Insider tip: for the best experience, try to snag a seat on the upper deck of the boat. It's a prime spot for photographers and sightseers alike, offering unobstructed views of the surrounding landscapes and a refreshing breeze, perfect for those selfie moments and scenic snaps. Option B: refreshing lake swim and spa at Bains des Pâquis. Option B offers a refreshing dive into Geneva's vibrant waters at the Bains des Pâquis, a popular public baths complex located on Jetty des Pâquis. Here, you can enjoy a safe and exhilarating swim in Lake Geneva, but that's not all. The complex also boasts a variety of wellness facilities including hammams, saunas, and Turkish baths, with massage treatments available for those looking to unwind further. Especially during the summer when the lake's waters warm up to over 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit, spending your day at Bains des Pâquis is a top choice. It's the perfect blend of relaxation and recreation, making it an ideal addition to your Geneva itinerary. Admission to the baths is a mere 2 USD. If you're in the mood to indulge, access to the hammam is 11 USD, or you can enjoy the full experience with the hammam, sauna, and Turkish bath for 22 USD. Getting there is a breeze. Hop on bus number 3 from just outside Café du Soleil, get off at Countenance, and enjoy a short stroll to your lakeside retreat. Insider tip: after your swim or spa treatment, don't miss out on the chance to sip a hot drink or nibble on some snacks from the on-site cafe, all while taking in the stunning lake views. It's a favorite local spot to relax and soak up Geneva's natural beauty. Late afternoon. Floral Clock, Jardin Anglais. As you wander towards Geneva's enchanting Vieille Ville, Old Town, don't miss the chance to marvel at the floral clock, La Horloge Fleurie, nestled on the edge of Jardin Anglais. This living masterpiece, created in 1955, celebrates Geneva's precision in watchmaking and its reverence for nature with thousands of flowers that are changed seasonally. It ensures a vibrant spectacle at any time of the year and adds a unique twist to your Geneva adventure. If time allows, a leisurely stroll through the Jardin Anglais is highly recommended. This beautifully landscaped park, adorned with fountains and monuments, offers picturesque views of Lake Geneva, perfect for a tranquil afternoon. You can reach the Floral clock from Genève Pâquis in just a 15-minute walk across the iconic Pont du Mont Blanc. Alternatively, for a touch of local charm, catch the Moot water taxi from Genève Pâquis and disembark at Genève Mollard. It's a scenic and relaxing way to travel, plus you'll get a fabulous view of the waterfront. This delightful boat ride costs about $2 blending efficiency with scenic beauty. Vieilleville. For the grand finale of your one-day Geneva adventure, let's meander through the charming, hilly lanes of Vieilleville. This quarter brims with stunning churches, lively squares, and historical edifices. I'll guide you through some not-to-miss spots. Nestled at the heart of Vieilleville lies Place du Bouge de Feu, Geneva's oldest public square. It's a picturesque hub for outdoor cafes, stunning fountains, historical monuments, and sophisticated architecture. Don't miss Confiserie Yarn, a delightful spot combining a cafe and a chocolate shop, perfect for picking up some exquisite Swiss chocolate souvenirs. Just a hop, skip, and jump from Place du Bouge de Feu, you'll stumble upon the majestic Cathédrale Saint-Pierre-Genève. Originally erected in the 12th century as a Roman Catholic cathedral, it transformed into a Protestant church when John Calvin, a key figure in the Protestant Reformation, made Geneva his home in the 16th century. This very Reformation, spearheaded by Calvin, left a profound mark on Geneva. For those keen on delving deeper into this epoch while touring Geneva, the International Museum of the Reformation is a treasure trove. Through an array of objects, books, manuscripts, paintings, and engravings, it narrates the saga of this transformative era. Tucked away beneath the cathedral, the museum welcomes visitors from Tuesday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., taking Mondays off. Entry is about $14, and this includes an audio guide. It's on the house with the Geneva City Pass. Whether or not the museum is on your agenda, do make time for the Reformation Wall. Just a 5-minute stroll from the museum, this monument pays homage to the Protestant Reformation, standing as a symbol of Geneva's rich history. And just around the corner, about 5 minutes away, is the Promenade de la Treille. This elevated pathway not only offers splendid views of the lake and city, but is also home to one of the world's largest benches, the Blanc de la Treille. It's the perfect spot to unwind and soak in the sunset, marking a serene end to your whirlwind day in Geneva. Insider tip: for a truly unique experience, visit the cathedral's archaeological site. Beneath the cathedral, you'll discover ancient relics and ruins dating back to the Roman era. It's a fascinating glimpse into Geneva's layered history and the perfect underground treasure to explore before you ascend to enjoy the sunset at Promenade de la Treille. Evening. Jet d'eau. One of the must-do activities in Geneva is to marvel at the Jet d'eau, the majestic fountain on Lake Geneva that's impossible to miss. This fountain, literally meaning water jet, stands as one of the tallest in the world, forcefully propelling 500 liters of water per second into the sky. While it's a captivating sight at any time of day, make sure to return after dusk to see it in a different light. Literally. At night, the fountain is illuminated by a vibrant array of colorful lights, transforming it into a luminous, magical water display that contrasts beautifully against the night sky. Insider tip: for the best views of the Jet d'eau at night, find a spot along the Promenade du Lac. This lakeside walk offers unobstructed views of the fountain's colorful nighttime show. Bring a small picnic of local Swiss treats to enjoy a serene, picturesque dinner with one of Geneva's finest backdrops, an especially perfect experience if you're visiting during the warmer months. Place du Mollard. Nestled between the charming Vieilleville, Old Town, and the picturesque lakeside, Place du Bouge de Feu is the heart of social life in Geneva. This lively square is lined with an eclectic mix of cafes, restaurants, and boutique shops. As evening falls, the square takes on a magical quality. The cobblestones are subtly lit to mimic a star-studded sky, transforming your stroll into a celestial experience. Each cobblestone is uniquely inscribed with a word in one of many languages, representing the international spirit of Geneva. It's a delightful experience to wander through, reading the illuminated words underfoot. Whether you're in the mood for a sumptuous dinner or just a glass of crisp wine, the surrounding establishments offer the perfect spot to unwind and soak in the ambiance. Dinner. Wrap up your unforgettable day in Geneva with a delightful dinner that caters to your taste and budget. Each of these carefully selected restaurants offers a unique dining experience in the heart of Vieilleville. Chez Ma Cuisine. At Chez Ma Cuisine, enjoy a laid-back atmosphere with dishes that boast hearty flavors without breaking the bank. Famous for its succulent roasted chicken served with delicious sides, this spot is a favorite among locals and travelers alike. A full meal here will cost about $20 per person. Auberge de Service. For a taste of traditional Swiss ambiance, head over to Auberge de Service. Specializing in fondue and raclette, this chalet-style restaurant offers a cozy, rustic setting ideal for enjoying Switzerland's famous cheeses. Dining here feels like a warm hug from the inside out, especially with a glass of local wine. Expect to spend around $40 per person for a truly authentic and satisfying meal. Restaurant Les Armures. Indulge in a gourmet experience at Restaurant Les Armures. Known for its exquisite Swiss cuisine and elegant decor, this upscale restaurant serves up classics such as fondue, as well as a variety of other traditional dishes crafted from the finest local ingredients. A meal at Les Armures is a bit more of a splurge at approximately $50 per person, but it's a worthwhile indulgence for a special evening in Geneva. Insider tip. For an extra special dining experience, reserve a table in advance at Auberge de Service or Restaurant Les Armures, especially if visiting during peak hours or the busy tourist season. And there you have it, a jam-packed day in Geneva, brimming with culture, history, and gastronomy, all set against the stunning backdrop of lakeside vistas and alpine peaks. From the serene morning walks beside Lake Geneva to the rich historical tapestry of the Old Town and indulgent Swiss dinners, we've covered the best this majestic city has to offer in just one day. If this guide has inspired you to pack your bags for Geneva, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides. I love bringing these adventures to you, and your support means the world. Got any questions or need more tips? Drop a comment below. I'm here to help. And remember, travel is the only thing you buy that makes you richer. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Safe travels, everyone.